Hello, guys. I hope you're doing well. Um, I know that many of us made decisions in January that were mostly about our health, and I bet that motivation has now given way to procrastination or discouragement. And I'm pretty sure that some of us have even give up. But before the first quarter comes to an end, I want to give you renewed strength. Yeah, I want to give you courage because I truly believe that you can achieve this goal. And in particular, if you join a good team. That's why I want to invite you to my incredible challenge, Radiant Vitality. Radiant Vitality is more than just a program, but an introduction to a healthy lifestyle that will guarantee you lasting health over time. But above all, will enable you to achieve your plans because only when you are healthy you can flourish in every way. My Radiant Vitality Challenge consists of 21 days of body detox. Yes, you heard it well, body detox. We will make also physical exercise. I will give you some wellness tips and well-being for body and mind, of course. So pay attention now. I have reserved a special bonus for the first people that will join this challenge. So again, the three first persons that will register to this challenge will receive a special bonus. Okay? I don't want to tell you any more about this, but I think you won't want to miss this bonus. Okay? So now grab your phone immediately and be one of the first to sign up for this challenge. I will see you on the other side. See you soon. Marie Claudine.